Hey, good morning. It's 2:30 in the morning. We are heading to Baler, and she's coming with me. Okay, we have the clothes, we have the water supply and the snacks, and for snorkeling, and mango. Why would we mango?
I have no idea.
Alright, let's go. Hi, finally we arrived in Baler. We spent 6 hours driving from 2:30 p.m. until 2:30 a.m. until 8:30 a.m. But look at the wave, it's so strong. Oh my god, and it's really hot. And then this is our hotel. This is our hotel. It's cool. Look at the wave. This is the surfer's paradise. The wave is really big. So while we are waiting for low tide, we come to Mother Falls to swim. Mother Falls. I love Mother Falls. We need to hike for 40 minutes, 1.3 kilometers, and I'm already tired because I'm driving 6 hours. So this Mother Falls should be something good. Hey Audrey, how long have you been walking already?
15 minutes.
15 only? I feel like 30 minutes. This is the Mother's Falls. The water pressure is so strong. Alright, so I'm going down to the water. My ass is cold. This place is nice, and the beach, the sun is okay. It's not as soft as Boracay, but the sea is really blue. You can see like the light blue and the dark blue at the back because it's quite deep over there. This is the dishes we ordered from the restaurant over there. So this is what basic bihon, calamares, rice, and our mango, and sinigang, hipon. I've been looking for underground cave for a while, and the guy there says it's below the lighthouse. It's very, very dangerous here. If it's high tide, you go all the way up there. So I have to rush before it gets high tide. Oh, here, this is the underground cave. I think you swim over there to the other side of the beach, the other side of the island. Well, the lighthouse is pretty high. Look. There. Alright, let's go.
And
How you doing? Still a few more steps before we reach to the house. Oh my god. Look at that. Finally we reached to a lighthouse. To here. Look at that. Oh, we're up here so high. Sure. It's a great view. Woo. This thing is fun. I'm gonna try it again next time. First time is not that good. I stand up a couple times, but I feel like more than 10 times. So I still have a lot of improvement. Look at the waves. Look at the nice hotel. Here's the ocean view. That's all for the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.